Greetings, culinary aficionados. Ever been curious about the impact of the Mediterranean diet on weight loss? Today, we're exploring the top 10 most effective Mediterranean diets for weight loss. As we commence this tantalizing tour, let's delve into the potential of the Mediterranean diet. This dietary choice, celebrated by numerous societies for generations, offers not only a delightful taste experience, but also a plethora of health advantages. Essentially, the Mediterranean diet encourages the intake of a diverse range of nutrient-dense foods. Consider succulent fruits, crisp vegetables, hearty grains, and of course, the crucial healthy fats. It's a gastronome's haven that carries a strong health punch. You may wonder, how does this diet contribute to weight loss? Excellent query. The secret is in the equilibrium and variety of the foods ingested. The Mediterranean diet is fiber-rich, leading to a feeling of fullness and gratification. The healthy fats, like those in olive oil and avocados, fortify your heart and assist in weight control. Portion regulation is the key factor here. Consuming just the right quantity ensures that you enjoy the advantages without overeating. But more. The Mediterranean diet also offers a range of other health benefits. It's a claim to enhance cardiac health, stimulate cognitive function, and even keep chronic ailments at bay. The best aspect? It's long-lasting. This is not a fleeting diet that you follow momentarily and give up. It's a lifestyle decision that's as tasty as it is beneficial. So if you're on the hunt for a diet that not only assists in losing excess weight but also boosts your overall well-being, search no more. The Mediterranean diet could be your solution. Ready to unearth these Mediterranean gems? Let's delve in. Now let's dive into the details of the Mediterranean diet by unpacking the first 3 foods on our roster. In the spotlight first is olive oil. This amber liquid is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet. It's loaded with monounsaturated fats, which are proven to decrease the levels of bad LDL cholesterol and bolster the good HDL cholesterol. This contributes to a healthy heart and is vital for overall health. But are you aware that olive oil also aids in weight loss? Absolutely. Olive oil imparts a sense of satisfaction, curbing your hunger and assisting you in consuming fewer calories without feeling starved. Transitioning next to whole grains. Whole grains are raw grains that retain all parts of the grain: the bran, germ, and endosperm. Foods such as brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread fit this description. They are fiber-rich, satiating you, and assisting in weight management. Whole grains are also filled with other crucial nutrients like B vitamins, iron, folate, selenium, potassium, and magnesium. Lastly, it's time to nuts. Whether it's almonds, walnuts, or pistachios, nuts are a key element of the Mediterranean diet, and rightly so. They are abundant in fiber and protein, which can keep you feeling satisfied for longer, resulting in less overall calorie consumption. Nuts also have heart-friendly fats and supply a considerable amount of energy. It's crucial to note that while these foods are advantageous, they should be consumed in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Excessive consumption can also result in weight gain. Hence, it's essential to manage your portion sizes. Keep in mind, the charm of the Mediterranean diet lies in its diversity and balance. Therefore, accompany us as we delve deeper into the Mediterranean's culinary delights by exploring more of its healthful and flavorful foods in the subsequent part of this video series. Stay tuned! Before proceeding further, it's important to underscore our unwavering commitment to delivering unbiased content. Our certified food nutritionists validate all information. Now let's explore the next 3 foods in our compilation: fruits, vegetables, and seafood. Starting with fruits, these natural sweets are not just tasty, they're brimming with essential nutrients. Consider them as your personal health champions. They're loaded with fiber that promotes digestion and keeps you satiated, diminishing the possibility of opting for an unhealthy snack. Moreover, they're abundant in antioxidants that combat harmful free radicals. So, curb your sugar cravings with an apple, a fistful of berries, or a succulent orange. Moving on to vegetables, these unnoticed champions are integral to any weight loss regimen. They're low in calories yet rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them ideal for satisfying hunger without contributing to weight gain. Be it leafy greens like spinach and kale, or crispy bell peppers and cucumbers, vegetables offer versatility and can be consumed in numerous ways. So, bring out your culinary creativity and make veggies a key constituent in meals. Finally, we have seafood. The Mediterranean diet is well known for its emphasis on fish and shellfish, and rightfully so. Seafood provides lean protein that facilitates muscle growth and satiety. Additionally, it's packed with heart-friendly omega-3 fatty acids, Be it grilled salmon, baked cod, or a simple tuna salad, the choices are limitless. Bear in mind, the foundation of a successful Mediterranean diet is balance and variety. Including these foods in your daily diet won't just get you closer to your weight loss objectives, but also lead to a healthier, more vibrant you. Don't leave us just yet. We have more foods to unveil and an exclusive tip you wouldn't want to miss. Join us as we further our exploration of the Mediterranean diet with 3 more essential foods. Leading the way, legumes. This group encompasses beans, peas, lentils, and chickpeas, all of which are high in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. These nutrients contribute to a feeling of satiety, suppressing unnecessary snacking. Additionally, they're low in fat. Their high fiber content aids in digestion, managing blood sugar and cholesterol levels. So for those with weight loss goals, legumes are a beneficial dietary addition. The next step in our food journey is poultry. Chicken and turkey are lean, low-fat sources of protein, ideal for a weight loss program. They are also rich in essential nutrients such as vitamin B6, which aids in the conversion of food to energy. No more fatigued afternoons. And the taste factor cannot be overlooked. Poultry can be enjoyed in numerous ways within the Mediterranean diet, from grilled chicken salads to warm turkey stews. Lastly, we explore the role of red wine. Absolutely. Moderate intake of red wine is a key facet of the Mediterranean diet. It contains resveratrol, a compound noted for its heart-healthy benefits. Wondering how it supports weight loss? In moderation, red wine can help manage blood sugar levels and lower bad cholesterol. The key, of course, is moderation. A glass of red over dinner is a pleasant way to end your day. These 3 simple foods, legumes, poultry, and red wine, are nutritional powerhouses. They not only promote a healthy lifestyle, but also aid in weight loss when incorporated into a balanced Mediterranean diet. We're nearing the end of our food list, but more exciting elements are on the horizon. Stay with us as we delve into the last food entry on our list and offer additional guidance for enhancing your weight loss journey. Stay tuned. The last Mediterranean staple we're discussing today is something often underestimated: dairy. Dairy products are a major component of the Mediterranean diet, but note, it implies relishing modest amounts of high-quality, full-fat items like Greek yogurt and feta cheese, rather than consuming huge quantities of milk. Now, you may be wondering, isn't full fat detrimental to weight loss? Interestingly, full-fat dairy items can indeed be a catalyst for weight loss. They are loaded with conjugated linoleic acid, a type of fat connected to weight loss and better body composition. Additionally, they are also protein-rich, keeping you satiated longer and less likely to overindulge. Besides aiding weight loss, dairy products are a formidable source of calcium and vitamin D, crucial for bone health, and have beneficial probiotics that assist digestion and enhance immunity. As an additional tip, we've discussed 10 exemplary foods, but the critical part is how to amalgamate them for optimal weight loss results. The solution is in maintaining balance and diversity. Aim to include all these foods in your weekly dietary regime without excessively focusing on any single one. Start your day with a bowl of Greek yogurt adorned with fresh fruits and a touch of honey. For lunch, a robust salad with olives, tomatoes, and a slice of grilled fish is ideal. Dinner can be a modest serving of whole grain pasta mixed generously with an assortment of vegetables and lean protein. And of course, don't forget to munch on nuts and fruits intermittently. Remember, the key is moderation and variety. By doing so, you'll not only shed weight, but also experience a gamut of health benefits and culinary delights that the Mediterranean diet provides. That's it for our overview of the top 10 best Mediterranean food staples for weight loss. Just keep in mind, weight loss is a journey, not a competition. Let's briefly revisit the fantastic edibles we've explored today. We journeyed into the universe of the Mediterranean cuisine, examining the top 10 edibles that can assist in shedding pounds. From the heart-friendly fats found in olives and avocados to the fiber-filled goodness of lentils and chickpeas. We were introduced to the potential of lean proteins obtained from seafood and the antioxidant characteristics of red wine. We gained knowledge about the nutritional richness of nuts and seeds, the digestive support from whole grains, and the hydration advantages of fruits and vegetables. The Mediterranean cuisine is not merely a strategy to shed pounds, but it also advocates for a lifestyle that supports overall wellness and longevity. Bear in mind, the information relayed has been meticulously verified by accredited food nutritionists, ensuring that you obtain the most precise and beneficial advice. We appreciate your presence on this gastronomic adventure. Don't miss out on more exciting content by subscribing to NutroBurn. Which Mediterranean food will you sample first? Share your thoughts in the comments below.